It's not this black and white age anymore. But regardless of that, people are still thinking in that way. Stay with me for 3 minutes because one video like this one has changed my life, so I want to help as many people as I can. Are you living the life that you really wanted to live? What you do, who you are, and how you are with the people who matter to you the most? Most people can't answer yes, and it's pretty sad reality if you think about it. Unlike most others, I worked really hard when I was growing up. I worked really hard when I was in the college and the university, and then ended up in a corporate job with long hours, tight deadlines, just enough money to get by, and I could only take 1 or 2 holidays a year and then being stressed out at work all the times. Is that the best it's going to get? And am I going to do that for the next 20, 30, 40 years of my life, trying to please everyone and work 60 hours a week doing something that doesn't even really light me up? Maybe you can relate to that feeling of being trapped and deep down you know it's holding you back from living. How often do we hear people say, I don't have time? Well, I've got news for you. You're never gonna have any more time unless you do something about it. The other day, for an early meeting, I had to take the Northern Line tube going from Bank towards Clapham at around 8:45. The platform was completely packed. I had to wait 40 minutes on the platform and let 3 trains pass by before I got onto the one, which was completely packed. That was like a hell on earth. Imagine how life-changing it would be for so many people who are standing on the platform, who has to do that every day, if only they can spend those 40 minutes each day doing something that matters to them. Spend time with your kids, with your family, hang out with your friends, do something that matters, then spend 40 minutes each day waiting to get to work and standing at the platform. Such a waste of time. It's not the industrial age anymore. The reality is, there's so much opportunity out there in today's digital world, today's online world. And the internet is within our doorsteps and only a fraction amount of people are making use of it. Imagine that you have skills and knowledge to open your laptop from anywhere at any time and earn a living doing something that you love. Imagine that you have financial freedom and you have time freedom, that you can travel anywhere at any time that you want, any time of the year. And you don't have to worry about those dreadful Sunday evenings that you have to get to work on Monday morning, and you can actually write your own paycheck. Imagine that for one moment. Today, I would like to offer you the knowledge to obtain those digital skills and the free training video series that my mentors have put together that has helped me and I believe will open your eyes to a whole world of opportunity that is available to all of us, and it's for free. With the artificial intelligence taking up 3 out of 10 jobs within the next 5 to 10 years, you definitely need some sort of the digital skills, and I'm offering you the knowledge to obtain those and bridging the gap between your current lifestyle and your future internet lifestyle, and it's all for free. Just look for the link in this video and you will be given an access for the free video series for free. I think you'll find that insightful. If nothing else, it will give you a basic understanding of how the digital economy works. And I look forward to welcoming you on the other side. Thank you.